What's up, my YouTube family? What's up, my extended YouTube family? What's up? Oh, first and foremost, YouTube disclaimer. As you know, when I'm at this location, you have music play a few homes away from me. So I have no control, and breeze carries sound. So my disclaimer to you, YouTube, it's low still. I don't think you might hear it while me talking, but I just want to make the disclaimer, YouTube. Please and thanks. People, wagwan, welcome back again to another video. Speak My Mind family, welcome back. And I am not only welcoming back myself and Uno to the platform. I am welcome back King Kakai Curly. Yes, man. She's back, people. She's back. She is back. Kakai Curly is back in the comment section, my people. And she go on with herself with Uno, She run out power now again, bruh. She run out. First thing, the live title. Dirty Speak Your Mind from over YouTube and your followers them. That's how she title the live. Dirty Speak Your Mind. She put speak and then she write dirty instead of me. And then she write dirty, then she write the mind. Over YouTube and your followers. Yes, man. So she title the live, people. So you know she's back. She never gone away still, you know. But true from what day she never depend the headline and her name never call. You find say she read, comment and watch, but she can't say nothing because it's not about she. And for who in the comment section when I see her say, why is people mind? We tired of Curly now. People, we not tired of Curly, but Curly not tired of herself. This is what Curly want. And from Curly come out, come talk and insert herself in a business when a concern she or even have no relevance. It not have no solid grounds. What she a talk about, because she not have no understanding of what she a talk about. Come on, people, me now keep my mouth locked. Remember, this is my platform out here for me. Now keep my mouth locked. When she not chat, you notice me not say nothing to her. And there's many times she chat her some things and me never look upon her, I overlook it. But all this is one I now go overlook it, people. So you know what they do, just do they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. If you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV and you subscribe over here, I'm asking you please to also support Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented channel. You get a lot of different things over there. Multi-purpose. A different side of me over there. Alright? So just go over there and give a subscription. And when you look up here in the community, you say Tamika Douglas TV, please give her a subscription. Remember, I'm asking you for 10 subscriptions each week for these two channels. And Life is a Mission. Life with Gabby and Chevy down in the comment section pin. Yes, man. I'm going to 10 subscription for them. Remember, the subscription now, like, subscription, and when you comment, it no cost you no $1. So you can just go ahead and do it. Alright? Back to what me I say now, people. Oh, I remember the cash up pin down in the comment section to $. Life is a Mission TV. You give me, I use a gift to give back. And what I can take from my YouTube channel, payment and make up and give back. You're not obligated to give me. You're not obligated to give me nothing what I only did ask it. But at the same time, if you still not give me, you will always see me give back, no care how small it is. It's just that if my month come and I can reach out to one and probably wanna give me, but I can make it up and reach out to 2 or 3 or 4, yeah. But if you not give me, no obligation to give me. Because I not run a charity, so I don't like me I beg nothing. Anyway, back to what me I say. Curly not only come out phone, people. You know Curly now do a live, especially when Plankatarians involved, but she a cuss way out then, put it that way there. And she no call 99 name. Always 99 no involve or play no role in her part in what she a talk about. But people, the first one in the year she talk about the woman bed and all kind of sitting. She go even deeper this time. She talk about the woman cheap carpet. She talk about the woman cheap bed from downtown. And she talk about the little cheap ashes furniture. And as she see a man coming a phone in and a big up fair furniture, they will say ashes to buy them, And we all know say in Jamaica ashes furniture not cheap. And me I tell you the honest truth. She talk about man a build furniture street side man a, so wait, no man build all furniture. Eh? You know how good it is when you make a man, a trade man, a good, well-trade furniture. Man, build your furniture and you see the board we might use, you see the quality material we might use more than you go buy sitting blind on the road. No for when can you make man build things on the road better than where you go buy your ashes or coats. Remember that. So when you go talk about roadside furniture, my furniture them in my house, them not cheap. Them expensive. My bed set run me look over 5 million. Over 5 million, 500,000. All because me convert the way them did I make the foot them. Me never want them regular foot them I see everybody with. And me convert the foot them. I make custom foot. It run me over because it was just under 500 and it run me over just to change the foot them. And a man build that. What I say? I mean not talk about the set. I just talk about the bed alone. Including the mattress, you know. Yes. So when you go talk, you just talk foolishness. So people, after that, she reach a part of her life now when she start talking about Dana can't put her foot on shoulder, Dana can't do this, Dana can't bubble like her, Dana no uku bit like her. Me no know how she know Dana no uku bit like her. Eh? How you know Dana no uku bit like you? Me know Dana no Saddam. Dana no Saddam. So me know the few look time you meet Dana, she and never go bed. So how you know say Dana no uku bit like you? How you know that? Eh? How you know say Dana no uku bit? Anyway, when she reaches some people, I just me cut off my dissecting of the live. But me book up on one special guest, I dissect the part of the live. So you see this live here is as if YouTube no hold on it, because a couple words have been said in it, and YouTube no hold on it. This is gonna be like on a Sunday martini. Cause me I run the video about 1 hour and about 10 minutes. If it go over that, me I'll cut it off. But me run it about 1 hour and 10 minutes. So me gonna stop the chatting here now. Cause I want to play the special guest. It's a YouTuber. And this a YouTuber, me I tell you, it's like she find a new lease on life, you know, people. Me I go know a hint. You see from the it, make her far down at Portland there, and carry her public under the umbrella. Jesus, please, the woman coming like a extra strength she get. Because every day the woman a fling out all 2 video and the woman a go hard. In a this one where she a dissect the foot pan this and the hook up it and the ray. She go hard against Marcia. Me love it. Me have to play it. Me have to play it, people. So me have to make she dissect the part of the special guest in another video. Yeah. So wanna sit well, have a drink. This is on a Sunday martini. Alright, people. So watch me all drink all the car with me anxious. So me go start with Marcia. You're gonna call me now. Don't keep speak my mind. Over YouTube.
Yes man, so me watch a movie find out of it like them blood clot of fire.
You have to light yourself first. Cause you include.
Jamaica with him fucking head big like a wolf dog. I just go by YouTube a while ago and see my name on the headline and I read some comment. When I don't have nothing better to say. I saw how much years don't want to tell me some bad man and grudgeful.
With David married woman people, watch it.
I have nothing better to say. Eh? We don't want people to come out here come talk. Eh? We don't know that long time. I pay a bad man and grudgeful, I want to think. You think so I want to brainwash like I want to? Me? And when every day we don't get up and say the same thing. If she don't call so-and-so name, she can't get no view. They know much blood clot weeks down and months. I'm going to call for your name, I might pick.
Like you tell. A couple days. And this is the reason why you have to run back now. Because you run back attack a different Dwayne to get back money. And you know there's no way Dwayne can get back money. Not because you did get back your one. Your one, you invite the woman out and you claim to say you pay for the meal. And the woman just decide to give back your money because you make a big thing out of it. Dwayne could have make a big thing look more, him now have nothing to get back. Because him never donate nothing special to 99 to go in our pocket. Him donate to recipient of his choice. Alright? And you're running pan that. So you have to call that a name. Come now, you come again in this video. Yeah, I call her name. So you can't do without her name. Without her name, you're not getting no attention. And you see that. So you have to call her name.
Bad mind and grudgeful and this and that and prediction. We're not too fucking bad mind. We don't need to get to the reality. Because if we're born on a rascal, say anything before the contact come show. And that you know can't take. You know, sister, we have to itch up on the one little batty boy page every motherfucking day. And over there comment. One me couldn't go Jamaica go lick out in blood clot, but
Romy talk too much and him not reach the stage to talk yet. CJ talk too much and him not reach. Well, him reach the stage and a long time I do it because I'm American.
And I use you know. That is it. Sit down on page and take up blood clot man where who not be a mind. Me not mind no fucking man. In America, me not mind no fucking man. You understand?
Lie you tell.
That's all the itch up because
Lie you tell. Cause you say there with a man who have him things and wealthy. And every time he come from work, you have to go pick him up. And every time you not going away, your car have to drive. If him have him things like what you are saying have him things. Why one day him can't drive him stocious vehicle and come link you up? And make you put a foot on dashboard and him drive you. Why him always have to be getting the chauffeur driven? You know, see him a live the life around you. You not live no life around him. Him a live the life around you. When it should have be the other way around. And the man a live all the life around you. And your place, the man them can't carry you go to him place. So what you say? Eh? I mind you coming like you mind the man. Just because we not see you literally I give the man nothing. But all them life there where the man a live in your position. And you a mind him. But who tell you for all of them meal they want to go near man or you pay feet because we don't see what pay feet you know.
I don't know yourself, I don't love yourself, I don't want to split justice, I don't have no self-esteem. We can't stay to talk about son and talk about homeless and talk about this and that. Me don't want no fucking house in America, me I live better than you know.
Your mind, I tell you that.
Full security, nice and pretty.
How long now you live that the life there? All the dirty life and the nasty life where you have been living before now. The life where you boast about you live when nobody no sure of. Because we not see how you attack. How long now you live that life there? Eh? Come tell me how long now you live that life there. You know just start live that life there. So there's nothing to talk about. You have nothing to boast or brag about. Because you're not living this life for no long time. Just over a month now. If the life where you talk about, that's how it go. For true. Which none of us have no proof. We want evidence.
Love. I live in a fucking very nice and pretty. I look over nice place. Security tight. You can't come to me.
But no worry. See, Tina and her followers and her pages, them we should have other places, you know, under different name. I come out of ball because them expose which part she live and show her building. Me tell you, so you can't expose me, you know, because I expose myself. Me show which part I live. And I ride on the gully side me live. Me tell you, show you that. I mean, I live like me, I live bigger than me means, or higher than me means. Me show you, me walk, tear up. See why they me post one, I lose a hometown girl and she supposed to know about me. But at the same time, when she bought me a piece of slippers, me and I want to make it, well, the pants and I really tear up, so it make a little patch up type pants them, yes. And me never shy when she call me. And not because she's a hometown girl, me did shy. Me post her, me and her over Facebook because she take a picture with me and her. And me post it over Facebook. You understand what me I say? So anytime when you bought me, I read the same sign and not go and shy me foot dirty or so no go about me. So me not be who me no is. Me try to be myself. So when time people bought me a road, you don't have nothing to surprise about because me alone tell you no and show you. And like you know.
Unless me want you to come to me. So me don't know who you're talking to. Not me. Not me, honey child. So me don't know who you're talking to. Not me. Not this a girl here. Me have a fucking roof for me, a very nice one too. Roach free, catch free, dog free, free. Yes.
You have a right.
So me don't know who
Because you're supposed to be excited that you're cat free, rat free and roach free. Never see come see. But how long you cat free, roach
what
free?
you talking and writing, you are the same like a big pussy girl them over YouTube. You just jealous
Phone no
because
time,
man
phone no
want to
time.
buy una pussy big ass.
Boy, I say me can't cut out the client.
The boy no want to not toasty. You understand? So that's why the boy no want to. That's why you can't sit down and chat man say every place. It no matter. Every day when they get them, she bad man so and so, bad man so and so for what? Bad man so and so for what? For what? What me a bad man so and so for? You tell me.
You know, see already we all know the elevation. And because you don't want the help, like a brought down chuck, you know, you don't want Dana to come out like a tow truck for draw you, give you a draw start and it no work. So all those things you compile them and bad mind the woman. You know, because the growth you seen of the woman, you should have, yes, like you see them and say, boy, it should have been me, it should have been me, it should have been me. Nobody stop you from having your growth. But it's how you go about gaining the growth. And you never dare go about gaining it the right way. As me say, flossing are your #1 priority. Flossing, to come out here on social media, come boast where you go from, where you no go, where you travel from, where you no travel, where you stay from, where you no stay, where you eat from, where you no eat. That was your #1 priority. When you realize that now go work, it was too late. Because all the little funding where you get from, you know, personalized charity, begging on social media, and the little where you get from the sheet, already shriveled down. So the shrivel where it shriveled down now, you like you have to start from scratch again. Then now you run up in this little like bankruptcy business where you have to get all conviction, how you call it? Oh, eviction. Me I talk about conviction and like your son me I talk about. You have to get eviction and all them something there. You get me I say to you? You find out late. And nobody never tell you, they tell you never to invest your money the proper way. So the woman invests her money and have her supporters on her platform support whatever she do. And just elevate her. You could have done the same thing, you get the same opportunity. Even a better one than she, because you live in America.
Every day when they get them, what me a bad mind for? I too fucking big like them. And that me a bad mind for? Eh?
You're a body
She
shame.
has bedroom set which she have in her room. Me walk out left one blood clot with the bedroom set, you know. I over 12 to 13,000 out of bed, out of furniture me walk, you know. And none of fear pussy clot furniture.
Stick up in, Marcia. You know, walk out, not left nothing. You were forced to leave them there, Marcia. Eviction force you to leave them there. Stop come out, come talk about you leave, you leave, you leave. You leave nothing, Marcia. You were forced to leave them there. And it moved from 10,000 now to 13, 14,000 what or something. When you're not chatting, remember, I want to chat because you just lie for no reason. Nothing in a Dana house can compare to yours. And probably more than say 2 of the stove them. Probably 1 of the stove them cover everything in your house. Cause pull all of your little wall decor them and something together, them not no value. So I could talk about like your fridge and your bed. Just your fridge and your bed. Because the little sitting where you have the little disposable type of Chester jar business where you have with your TV depend on them little something there is of no value. And we don't know what kind of board make the little settee where you normally sit down in a nyam where it costs the roach and rat in your place. We don't know the value because we never see that yet. But we could judge off of the bedded where we see and the fridge. You know nothing more in your house, Marcia. 1 bag of rubbish, Marcia. All of them want decor there. If you pile them together and have a flea market and sell them out, you can't make $1,000 off of them, Marcia. And the woman's stove cover. One of the woman's stove in her kitchen cover where you have in your house. So you're going to say the woman have nothing in her house value where you have. Hey.
Over 14 blood clot holes out of furniture in my last apartment. You understand? My bedroom. Go check out my bedroom set to me so I don't look over here. Let me have to Jaffa. Go Jaffa. When am I going to
The thing about it, you know. Right now, the same bedroom set where you talk about you have it to sleep on. Where is yours now? And show me the one where you sleep on now. Because you don't have a bed to sleep on now, Marcia. Marcia, you don't have a quality bed to sleep on. So is that elevation? Is that ambition for you to be sleeping on a bed value how much thousands of dollars and find yourself in a hotel a show say you sleep on all a 2 bed one time? Because I don't know if you can sleep on 2 bed one time. And you left the hotel now and you can't carry none of the bed. And you live into a loft or a loft. And you don't have a bed in the loft. You can't show a bed. More than one piece of wall board nail up on the wall and like a settee job to it and make it look like it's a bed. And it you asleep on, you know, Marcia. You can't show a bed, you know. But you see the woman still have a cheap bed to sleep on. You don't have none. You see how pain a kill you in your joint them right now. Eh? You see how pain a kill you in your joint them. Because you can't sleep comfortable, you can't get to stretch out and roll over. Nothing at all you can't do.
flowers them what you plant by roadside? got in there for? You tell me.
If you build the surrounding where the flowers is, put the flowers outside and if you grill it, cost more than what you have in your house, master. All of your wall decors and what you have. Just the flowers sitting them out the road, you should build. We should pay if you block them up and should build grill and grill them round to prevent goat and sitting from going to them and people from damage them. If you put that money together, it can probably buy everything in your house. Because I'm saying now not much expensive in your house. Be a cheap wall decor. You understand? Be a cheap wall decor. And it is evident that you're not buying nothing expensive, master. You just buy things that you call it cheap and clean, will look good, yes. And then in the eyes of the public, it's like you trick the people them. You know, you deceive the people them because them feel like the type of person you is where you have an expensive. It's just like, you know, if you see Beyonce or Nicki Minaj or Rihanna, you know, something, you know, it not look good for them, you know. Or it not look good because the way it look, it kind of look away. But here one now, true Nicki Minaj and Beyonce them are weird. Everybody want it to wear. You understand? But if me have it on, it not look good. And what kind of old man sitting that you have on? What kind of ugly sitting that you have on? Because me nah no name. Next thing, if them have on something that value $1, the back of the mind don't feel like it's $1 million value. But if me have it on, where? Cheap something that you have on. That they value nothing, $100 or $1 for that. Where? But when Nicki Minaj them have it on and the big name have it on, you don't know say $1 piece, you don't want it for wear too. So it's just like, you know, at a mind game that you play, you go buy the cheap something them and two them kind of look good and catchy and, you know, the color arrangement and stuff. People could feel like you have something expensive. But nowadays the people them kind of get to understand say, I'll be a cheap and clean you wear anyway. So you can't trick nobody, master.
What am I got you now?
Gone are the days where you could have tricked people.
For your tattoo eyebrow? What am I got you now?
Hey, a master this was she now watch Dana, you know. The years past she gone. How long now Dana do the eyebrow sitting? A good while now, you know. And I itch she talk about. When me go drive for? Her tattoo eyebrow? When me go drive for? She gone right back and she said she now watch Dana. And you have to watch Dana for you talk about them sitting here.
What am I got you now for? For your dark skin? What's your pan eye? Oh, what am I got you for? I don't go you for nothing. What am I got you now for? For your fake ass paper, doctorate paper? Where address show say address where show say it they agree in Acres Mall. Church
So much time on invest in finding out where paper come from and location of place.
The address where noted say where certificate come from. And that me go driver for the fake piece of paper them where they have a grow with. Yeah, always that she get paperwork and address stated and when people go check it out in the agree in Acres Mall BP gas station. Then when me a go chief, then when me a go driver. Go drive for tool the piece of soap them when she get free and go give them today downtown. I mean now.
As somebody said, now watch that, you know. I want to just listen, all shows and name out the things then. So how you know, how you find out?
Why she gonna give them out? I don't know. What me for go driver? Get the fuck out of here. But it been a call her name. Then I went since me call for her name. And me have my people them over here. Then me never know say me have 10,000 on my page. When I was talking to them, my normal rate me have 200-300 people come on my page when me come to have.
Move.
What the fuck you talking about?
How much of them like your video? How much of them like your video? How much of them come in? 2,000-300 somebody up on your page. You could have barely get 50 likes. And when you look at the same set of people them a comment every day. What I tell you say? People just come for the laugh.
No for uno pitney right now lock where your yard. No for uno pitney lock where your blood clot America. If my one going for your little misdemeanor after few little time. So when you come and chat about how me not predict say my son. Listen, me we got jail too.
Only in the comments here talk.
Me never know me got jail one them day for one I uno. Me we got jail for one I uno, trust me. So mama and daddy, mama and pitney will just finish go the guy me see one I uno come step to me fuck one I uno right up. Me not have to know. If you don't fuck yourself with me and come step to me. So me not jail not make it dog. Jail don't make it dog. Martha Stewart got a big movie star, but that not go there. So God Jamaica go check out some of right now. I see when a blood clot pitney that Jamaica right now for murder. Go check out someone right now when the pitney that put with drugs and illegal firearm. Go and check out, go and check out that because we're not a blood clot star boy, yeah. That's why nobody don't know the fucking business.
So when you say you're a star, that's why your business that road. But your business that road for the wrong reason. Your business that road for the wrong reason and that you're proud of. Look at you.
I don't care and chat to me, not at all. We don't have to come good and proper. My blood clot record clean. You see a thing about it, no can't control me. And that's the problem. So I can
But they not try control you, Master. You just nobody for nobody try control. Waste of time to try control you.
You understand? Me and a follower. Me's a leader. You understand? And Jesus me follow. So nobody with it. So now fuck and now why? You know see me roll by myself. If me was jealous and following people and want to be in high group, I would have been on her side. Me not keep up with fuckery. From me to her, and me and her was good acquaintances, me keep it real with her. Me have voicemail to prove that blood clot in WhatsApp said you me talk to her. I was one of the realest to her. Me not keep up with her bullshit, she wrong. You understand? I never stood to her wanted to make a
If you was one of the realest, we don't want to see the fakies.
Go sit in yourself and go suck me out like a lollipop and juice me like a blood clot sauce up. On a dirty pussy will be out. Who the fuck wanna think we're talking to?
Comment section.
Someone wanna live in America, live like a blood clot dog. Up until today, someone wanna motherfucker me talk about the haters them. Wanna go look out on the fucking green card. If you not walk on a suck some, but because wanna chat too fucking much, I wanna come on social media and I ain't live in a blood clot club. And go on like say wanna too fucking nice. No one want to go back a yard, no can't go back a yard because it's so difficult kind of fucking man no want to know. Because we no get fucking tired and whole and live in a dance hall 7 days a week.
Oh, you mean throw your word Pantina, yes? Because she used to live in a dance hall 7 days a week. And get tired and old.
I go from ready Monday to ready Tuesday to ready Saturday and fucking Sunday. And now nobody no want to be married because married material when no could have been in the first part. No one.
But nobody know why if you're married to neither master. You know so man you're taking her 6 months. If you're a woman at your age, a Sectio should have Sectio. And none of them 4 or 5 man where you're taking her 6 months. None of them can't say boy me find you for somebody where me can marry to. That you end up with a woman married man in the last year. Where you can't even show it. At least you never could have shown none of them face still. Because the man them not proud of you, so they don't want them face show. If the man them not proud of you, or when them not like social media, if I even one time, because them would have want to know say boy yes, them woman are muckle with them. They might not up in the phone every day, every minute. But if I even one time, every day you get up, you find our next man. When that man said show me foot, that one said show me hand. You can't show no face. All of your man them now no head. Patakos Kekel. Patakos Kekel. You can't get no man for married and just a change man son. Like when Pitney a young baby a change pampers. Right now you change man more than do we and change pampers. You change man more than do we and change pampers to your age.
Take care of my own responsibility. Me know where to go when me need help. My family is there for me. If me and my auntie them is there for me. And my people are there for buy from me one cook a full basket.
So why you beg other people for buy? You know make them support you. Make them support you man. Continue to support you.
Back. And me can't say a lot more. Because me not prolong it. I can say a lot more. Me not giving no fucking contents. And wait until
you always have secret with people and recording to people. And you can't come forth with it. And the same people where you have it for I bring out your business.
You not happy like me? You know see me go out on weekend time. You know see me go on weekend time. You know see me go out Saturday, Sunday. You know see me go enjoy myself.
You go enjoy yourself for easy stress so you're under. What better way to ease your stress? I'm not happy you're happy. You easy go ease your stress. You go out for ease your stress and happy, you're happy. But when you come back home, you're going right back in your stress. So it's a temporary ease you get. You need to do something where permanently ease your stress. You need to get a life. And when I say get a life, I mean a full life. You know, where you can see your way out. Come out of people business. Stop, try to bring down people who are prosper. Stop focus on people who are elevate and focus on yourself. Focus on your elevation. You understand? Because you focus on people who are go away left you. And because of that, it has stress you out. Take that extra time there and fix yourself. And see if you have a permanent ease of stress. Instead of just go to party every weekend, where it's a temporary fix of ease in your stress.
Something, if Romy wants something, Mama will call. Me have one sense of a blood clot girl boy. But so good, Mama.
You're ignorant though, I'm not lie. I'm not wrong you. But you have one sensible girl about you. Which part are you sensible? Are you bring down your own self in a life?
Same place America, yeah.
You're sensible and bring down your own self in a life.
You can't even afford that blood clot mortgage. That's why someone looks so suck out. Right now, you can't look for one before they buy the house. Only look rosy and nice.
You have all kind of different excuses not to own a house, man. Go on.
I don't want to suck out like somebody have blood clot diabetes.
All kind of different excuses just to not owning a house.
Manage it. But yet you know so no fucking friend around go buy a house and you can't buy a house because friend having job and you don't have the right job. I'm gonna put yourself in a strain. And then you did it. And I build a house a yard. When you can't pussy clot live in. As the house don't build no pussy clot drop dead. I wanna come and talk about people. Leave happy people alone.
Which part are you happy, Marcia? Which part are you happy? Stop telling people you're happy because everybody see it on social media. I say you are one of the most unhappiest person in a social media. More than one, but you are one half. Remember that.
Look here. Romy don't know bad word. Only Romy alone can't make me no puff bad word on him. Diarrhea from mad black woman. The way them do me out
You're
there,
past mad man.
whatever it is.
You're past mad man.
The little batty boy name sit down. Always go over there go fabricate story and talk shit forget.
Nothing me talk about you no fabricate. Nothing at all. It's what you talk I dissect. And what I dissect and the conclusion that I come with, it is evident that nothing no go so. It is simple. So don't talk about fabricate. Unless you don't know the meaning of fabricate. When somebody fabricate something, an argument for you, and when them tell lie. So if you don't know the meaning of fabrication, leave that alone.
You understand? We can't wait. Sure.
Why you can't wait for Marcia? Why you can't wait for Marcia? You have plans to me?
Yeah. When them talk, never talk sense. The only thing they can't put out there bad man. Me know me a bad man for? What me a bad man for? Eh? Me don't know me a bad man for, you know? I don't know. Me know say me live in America and me know me live in a one blood clot prestigious building. Me not hacks you. You understand? Me know that. I guess so me live. Me have access to a lot of things. So me know some never fucking roof on my head. Yes, me dear. Me not hacks you. Me I tell you.
Marcia, so now, no for now. Wish she live, which part she live. And the government a pay for where she live. She fork out her money and a good money she a fork out. Well, Marcia, the taste is in the pudding. Make us see how long this is go on for. Because the truth is going to reveal one day, Remember, your section 8 message fly up on your screen and you claim to say this happen regularly where things just come up on your screen, especially government business and rare. And me can remember as far back as me I watch you. Enough time me see it up on your phone. And me never see nothing. Me never see no advertisement for anywhere else fly up on your screen yet unless you get a call or a message come in. But you find an excuse when the Section 8 reminder come up on your screen and you were on your live and the public see it, you find an excuse. And most of the people them in America, the same excuse you come with, I say, oh, these things always pop up on your phone. Where might have the same communicating place like you, have the same, I work with the same technology set of people them. Whether AT&T, BT&T, CT&T, because you might come use that no one say AT&T, you have and them a BT&T, so them won't see it. But the same people them who have AT&T like you, say them something and pop up on them screen regular, them never get no Section 8, nothing pop up on them screen. But you find excuse, so all of them big chat where you have, it's so revealed, Marcia, no worry. Marcia says she's sure she pay over 2,000 a month for rent and she can just take the elevator, go to gym, go to pool, anything she want. Like anybody no can do that. Anybody can live the lifestyle and them have the money.
Not me. That's what God provide for me. If you're a poor girl like me. When you live in a ghetto, because I can't go to somebody with the guide. So I don't understand. Me don't understand. Me don't know how me have got somebody when my furniture that when me left in the apartment and walk out left costs more than the furniture that we have in a fair place.
Stop talking about your walk out left furniture. You were forced to leave those furniture. You were evicted. Stop talking about your walk out left furniture. Because you never dare walk out leave them. This is to show you how foolish you is. You are going to walk out left something that you get not even $1 for. And when you go to the little cheap shop where the people that buy repossess or whatsoever all sitting, and the man offer you X amount of money for it, you say you not sell your table for that, and you not sell your fridge for that, and you not sell your bed for that. And you are going to walk out left it without $1. Now better you did sell the man them it. You were forced to leave them. Don't preach up about your walk out. Eviction force you to leave them. Who you can't fool? You can't fool nobody. Then I better take the little 2,000 or 1,500 we accumulate then for the bed and the fridge. Then you don't get nothing at all. How foolish is if so be the case? You can't come fool nobody in a phone, yeah, man. Move, man. Move from there. Boy.
You see my blood clot table when you left at 3,000 US dollar.
And the man offer you money for it and you never take it, they say that too little bit. But 8 still, you leave it for free. You saw you fool, you coming like Ninja Man. Them offer him money for play a role in a show. Say him go dead in the show. And him say no, Star can't dead in a show. But 8 still, him got go in a third world cap go dead for free. Eh? You go in a third world cap, go make them find in a barrel curl up for free. But when you did get paid for curl up somewhere, you never take it. And you know, you get a little chum see the things them, you not take it. But you're forced to leave them through eviction. Where?
All 12 people. You see my Ashley grey rough edges. Wow.
Oh, so your Ashley alone expensive. Then Ashley not expensive. The other Ashleys them were there around the world. It's cheap Ashley, but the only store that is expensive is the one that you go buy your Ashley. Oh, you're so special. So special, so special, so special. That's why she's trapped with the dearish Ashley. She's so special, so special, so special. Oh, sorry, special, sorry.
All pieces were stretched across. A 3 man lift up that blood clot. You understand?
A 6 it go on to lift up you are 8.
You see my big coach when my house you go like a sectional. A 3,000 for it. So me don't know.
People, it's along the line, yeah, so she go get into the personal part of 99. I don't know the personal part, but the foot can't cock up on the hook bit and she can't go up on head top. But me gonna make the special guest dissect the part there. Alright? So I'm gonna stay tuned.
I mean walk out and left all that pussy clot right there. Me have one fridge where we buy for $2,800. 2-year-old. Me walk out and left that blood clot right there.
Liar! You were forced to because of eviction. Sheriff them lock you out. You're not an ambition, because right now you have a bed to sleep on.
I mean, keep it real.
Big old
She
loft
don't have no
without a
education,
bed.
no big degree, me don't have none. I mean, no, so she not fucking brighter than me.
Listener,
She can't talk like me. She cannot dress like me. None at all. And she can't fucking drive like me.
listener, no, yes, so she come up with me and cut
She's
her off.
not intellectual like me. Me not ask you. So what me I grudge her for? I don't like to she have a degree. Then I wish she have.
You know, see what she have? Clean, pure heart. Clean and pure heart. Good mind towards people. You understand? And she have a good business sense. Business knowledge. And she have live a good, happy life pan the gully side. Not a happy life into a laugh. In a gated community. Where you have pool and you can take elevator and you're unhappy. You know when I agree with this thing? Me can't tell you this. Me can't testify for this. When you live somewhere where you not own, remember you have to consider to pay light, water, rent, and most people now have to have internet. There's some things you have to put your mind to pay when it touch a middle of the month. And the main one is rent. Because based on where you live and which part you live, you can buy time with the light and you can buy time with the water and the internet because you get a little grace period. But you see rent people, some of the landlord them, you rent due the 16th. And the 15th at 11:30 them sit down at your door dying to say 12 o'clock. Because it changed to the 16th after 12. And if you don't mind shot them knock your door before time. Some of them sit down and wait as they light them stretch your man for your rent. You might not have it at the same time as stress that come down upon you because you don't want embarrassment if you have somebody with easy for shame. So what better way to live life knowing that you have your own place where you don't have to think about paying rent? You know what stress that is off of you? Because as me say, you can buy a little time with the water, the light bill. You can't go pay all half fight and hope that them not cut it off. Landlord want the whole of them rent. You can't give them half. And you can't buy no time with them. One time you could have find some landlord another position there, but nowadays you can't find no landlord another position. You know the reason why? Most of them take place or buy place through the bank and I rent it to you and take your money, take time, pay back for the place. And this is why me I say it no better way than owning your own place because you pay for your man place at the end of the day no fear. So why you not go own your place if I even mortgage you have to pay? Eh? Move from your son. None ambitious, so then I better you by far.
So me I got fever. Yeah, she don't shape better than me and she don't more good looking than me.
Listen, she coming up with me, I got cut you now, you know. I'm going at the special guest.
My teeth, my jaw, my lips, every fucking thing.
You remember what the special guest? The lady where them rush down a Portland and she have to hide under the umbrella. The woman revitalized. Alright, she can't quinter. Alright, people, stay tuned. Me gonna make me special guest deal with a party. Yeah? People who don't know me not trust nobody. So me gonna talk in between because of YouTube guide. Cause me not give nobody no privilege to strike me. Alright? Me not give nobody no privilege. But what me love that video yeah. So me I make the special guest answer this. As me said, this woman yeah, she revitalize people. She full of vim, vigor and vitality. Boy, me I tell you me love that video yeah what she do. Yes man, you know listener. Mix up at
welcome back. Me know it early people, but me I say me the African counter show this one this morning. Cause me say me sit down in my kitchen last night. And me say
me I listen for my say come out back against you, you know. Hey, last night when me this a video in my house people, me say Jesus peace what kind of sitting this story up here now. Because me can't wait for your man to come back out. So you know just line up.
me say me did them for me cheer and eat and I almost choke. I almost turn over my drinks. Because Curly over but I paid last night at all. Last night early who Curly over there and name up herself and I cuss out some people over YouTube. How they can come off her back. How them a cuss her and them a call her bad mind and her sort of something. Me say Curly start compare herself with the lady and I say oh the lady can't queen from body like she and how the lady can't put foot on shoulder like she. But as
You know, so I swear say this woman I want Christian people. I did swear say this woman I want Christian, you know, cause so she carry herself across her phone and I didn't think she a Christian. But people, when she done fix Curly in this video, yeah, make me know she not Christian. But people, wanna look out for it between now and, well, if it not drop already, wanna look out for it. Because Curly love talk about people send her things. And if them not send her this, a lie she a tell. Because if them not send her this, as some me a gonna know say a lie. She now search a mix up Adasa because mix up Adasa now no name. So she search the people who have name and a carry weight. And this a gonna make me know say when she say people send her things a lie she a tell. I search and see, but she just now go see mix up Adasa one. If so be the case, if she not come out and defend this, alright. Because what? Mix up Adasa now can't wait. So she not gonna look for mix up Adasa or say nothing. So I could see if people are sending things, because me I wait for this a show down here, you know.
How you turn? Back way, front way, side way, on your belly, how you turn? Because any way you turn, that's up there go in the way.
What are going in the way?
That's up the way you have in front of you. Any way you turn it, it go in the way.
What going in the way?
You can put foot past shoulder better than the lady down at Jamaica. She and you did a hold them the Tory there. Then when you put the foot past shoulder, you have the asthma pump near side of you.
Papa Jesus, or what? What are asthma pump? So Curly, you tell you say she trouble with asthma? Where you say she have breathe hard? What she mean? Too sharp that steel got there? What I got to squeeze up her lungs? What you mean? Lady, make your statement clear. What you mean? If Curly would have her asthma pump beside her when she had them position there. So Curly travel with asthma, she travel with shorter breath. Which one of them? She and the cow down so her family? The one they call leaky? Me no know, just tell me.
Hard. Because we have them a stiff belly there in front of you, we go put foot past shoulder. You go have a breathing problem. So who you go get up and go talk about you can't put foot past shoulder better than the lady, and you can't quit somebody better than the lady. Curly, stop, come out your contact there something there. You better you say no, you better you say. A whole heap of man want somebody crutchy, but they don't want you. So if you could have the queen pass sitting better than anybody else.
You have Curly ticket? Oh yeah, deal with Curly, so you have Curly ticket?
How you not happily married down? How
True.
you not happily settle down?
Good question.
Because you have if you say when you can queen sitting there and when
Right.
you can dash it up and sitting.
You're supposed to old man and have man, so you're supposed to marry. True. Good question that one you want. I want good question this.
Imagine how the man take long to come. Because you good and dash it up and the man tired, him back tired because the man can't come. Maybe the man don't want to wash and swim and can't get to come and you come talk about you can't go your queen. Then that call your queen.
No lady, behave yourself.
Feel like marriage away. Because the ocean is very wide. Look here lady, stop.
Behave yourself, lady, behave yourself. It not sound good. What ocean you talking about? Marcia says she have the best tune in the world. So how you come about ocean? How with the Papa Jesus? No sir. Lord of calamity a wagwan. How you talk about Marcia have ocean lady? And Marcia says she have the best tune in the world. Not just America, you know, the world. And you come now about Marcia have ocean? Lady, behave yourself, man. Remember, you're a big woman too, you know, man. You can't deal with Marcia, so. This your war, you know, look like a something we out to stop soon, you know. And it not start yet. Marcia, me waiting on you, Marcia.
Competition with something queen anyway. I have to put foot past shoulder. You have to compare all the furniture then with the lady furniture down at Jamaica. Eh? Where you kill out yourself over furniture?
And she not have none right now.
Man, we want you more than she. Eh? What is wrong with you? You have an obsession problem. Eh? If you have
people look at construction are going on, so you met in a video previously. Can't avoid it.
Me don't know how work on that belly and cap she. But if from me like she and me hear that video the way you talk about football shoulder and quick from body. I would even answer you. Because I want to know how you can do them sit there and you still, you know, happily married and settle down.
So true.
When woman can queen party, they don't come out on social media.
If you can't queen, so not even Siaga queen like you. Not even Tina Chin when Tina Chin tell a lie them queen like you. And you can't queen, so queen. All the grizzle and queen. Use the nookie and queen. Use the nookie and queen. Yeah, touch it. Quint it. And you change so much man in 5 months. See a big woman like you, you're not young girl, you know. And you change so much man.
Social media contact that. When woman have good sit, they don't come out on social media contact that. When woman have who can hold man, they don't come out on social media
True.
contact that. It's all about
Good nookie speak for itself. Man stay, man fuss, man war, man cry, man ball, man go on knee. When good nookie dey bout. Good nookie speak for itself. You don't have to come speak.
not all I work with. Any woman who you hear come out on social media, come and talk about all and it them good. Liar. Is either one ocean or one well or one sea. And them.
Hey, lady, take your time with Marcia now, man. Why you deal with Marcia, so? I don't know what you prepare for it, you know. Because if you not prepare for it, I'm sorry for you. Oh. No, but seriously, if a good nookie she did have, she would have changed so much, man. And the thing about it, all of the man, them, when she change them, none of them not put up no resistance in going. The whole of them just go freely. And you have good nookie, no man now around left, no good nookie. No cure the woman miserable and stay bad, no man now around left, not good nookie just so. He might itch round and when him heart full and him can't take no more, him will go. But your man them a short term man them, and as them you say go them just go so and your nookie good? No sir. Good nookie man go down pan knee. Man ball, man beg, man call down Jesus Christ, he come help him for good nookie. Move, you know no good nookie.
Because me can't imagine how my face feel life. So stop, come out on social media and compare yourself and talk about who can queen pan, who can queen pan. I want to with a woman, a big old woman like you come out and attack them something. That's all they talk about, you know. You just have a big problem. And every single time I tell you come out on social media contact, always big your defend. Always. You never defend to try to put people live in a nice place, try to elevate your life, try to make your life better. You put in
She don't want no baggage. She said the woman said she don't want no baggage to carry her death. The woman said she alright with the life where she live, she don't want no baggage.
every argument to keep up. And dick are your problem. You look like
Is a man named Dicky, she mean Dicky. I just over the Dicky, she gone bad. Over the Dicky, the girl a gone mad. Over the Dicky, Marcia, I cry bad. Over the Dicky. Hey.
Bunny and broccoli.
Who remember the Butcher Bantan dead? Over the Dicky, the girls are going bad.
You get a dildo and you broke it, then what you did I do?
And what you mean? No sir, that one you mean about one dildo argument, but we never know so she broke it. What you mean she broke? So what me could have do with she then? If she broke dildo, I want glass dildo or board dildo, or one of the rubberized dildo. Me not understand. How you mean she broke it? Jesus, please, no sir. This is how many had planned for you, master. She planned for you.
Mighty God, then imagine if you saw you did that jerk and pop you up. And take you send it back. The man should send it back when they use it because that should have just that shouldn't have been. Because if you use it, why you send it back? Who are going to use it after you use it? That means that the next time you go order one, maybe I want 14-inch one, you have to go order.
Oh, wait, the Rasta Jadis. You plan for Marcia? Me no want no spectacle for sister, you plan for Marcia. But she coming at your plan for her now.
That's you can't reach up in your mouth or something because you come back at that you want it. Come back because you just have a big problem. And every time you come on social media with the foolishness.
She know if you just breathe again and call it and make sure she get her son again and name him Dick. since she have a dick problem, make that man impregnant her again. For a second time. She going, oh, probably them say she'd have more before, but probably she and her friend Tina and Miss Shit Bachard and all of them have done the same thing, you know. So I don't know, but she can't make that man again. And then she just call her baby a dick. Since she have a problem with dick.
You need to talk about other things and stop a stress pan dick every day. At your age, why you never did get? You never did sexual in your younger age. You never did used to get little something when you're young. That's when you're big, so now you go like the sex around the fry you. That's all you talk about. You have to spend more time to try to elevate yourself. Yourself sheet and yourself curtain.
Anyway, people, me them not play no more of the video, you know. But as you can see, me not lie. From the hit of Portland rush that woman here. If you not check her page, boy, she a go hard. All 2 videos a day. And she not afraid to come out. It come like a braveness she get. So who the think she dey go draw in her shell and go in her shadow? When they make a sad mistake, the woman a dash out things without warning and no care what happen. But me a wait for Marcia come back out because she say people are saying her things. So if them not send her that one, yeah, that simply mean it is all clear that she's a liar. Or it is all clear that it's just all about Donna. Because if them not send you this, no sir, them not mean you no good. Because you need to come out, come defend this. Anyway, speak to mind people. Happy Sunday. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. You don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Please, please, please to watch the ads. Look up in the community. You see Tamika Douglas TV. Go ahead and give her a subscription. Remember, 10 subscription a week. I am asking for both these channels. And in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy pin down there. Give her a subscription also. And remember the cash app pin, $ Life is a Mission TV. Happy Sunday. I want to open the engine and I want to hope YouTube releases so you could see it. Alright? And bless upon yourself. The new week is coming. Let's see what is there for the new week. Give thanks and praise to all of you. Love you all. Continue to support both of my channels. All you new subscribers, big up on yourself. Just join and be a part of the family. And just continue to be active in the comment section. Be respectful. And bless upon yourself. Alright? I'm out.